Dogs, welcome to Drake's Kitchen. We're making deluxe sushi nori. Let's do it. Start with a pot, some rice, some water, some heat, rice, vinegar, add some, stir it up, sushi rice, cucumber, knife, done. Carrot, strainer, done. Vinegar, good stuff. Stir. 4 eggs. Kidding. Fork. This. Done. Honey. Just a teaspoon. Stir. Think it looks good. To the skillet. Coconut spray. Eggs. 3, 2, 1. Egg drop. That's a lot of eggs. Sit there. We'll probably season it. Time to get some salt and pepper. Wait, guys. Alright, we're back. Salt, pepper. Stare at it.
Get a spatula. Run around the rims. Stare at it. Eggs.
Not done yet.
Okay, it's looking good. Omelet style, man. We're gonna try to get this in like a square. Turn down the heat. I'm gonna try to keep it in the shape so you can cut it later. Shape into eggs. It's like that one song, right? Anyways. Man, this looks like a horrible omelet. Whose idea was this? Oh wait, it was my idea. Oh, then I guess it's a good idea then, right? Alright. Chop it up. Looks somewhat decent. And we'll flip it. Give me a second. Alright, it's flipped. Still coming out. We'll check it later.
Chicken, salt, pepper. George Foreman. Everyone always says it's hard to cook a chicken. George Foreman does it right. Alright, so now we're starting on the sushi. Start with this chicken.
Just give it some nice slice. We're just going to cut it just enough. Just so we can pop it in that sushi.
Done. Egg. Done. Sushi mat. Sunny side down. Rice. Carrot, vinegar. Also helps to keep a wet rag beside you so the sushi rice doesn't stick. Instead of fish, for people who don't like fish, let's do chicken. Cucumber. Slice them up, line them up. Wrap.
When you're rolling it, you gotta tuck it in tight and pull it towards you, almost like this, just like open a doorknob. Done. Next. Sushi wrap. Shiny side, dull side. Shiny side down. Rice. More rice. Carrot. You can use cream cheese, but don't have cream cheese, so I'm not doing cream cheese. Eggs. Egg and cream cheese are really good. Load it up with eggs, fully loaded. We're making good sushi, not cheap sushi. Cucumber. Smash it down. Roll it up. are king sushis. Done. Next one. Small wrap, shiny side down. Fill this one up. Wrong side, fill it this way. We'll do 2 wraps at once. Carrot, no rice. Cucumber. Chicken of the lamb. More cucumber. Egg. A little more egg. Wrap these jokers up. Make sure they somewhat are neat, but we'll see how it goes. Roll. Remember, turn it like a doorknob. Tuck it tight. Roll and tuck, roll and tuck, roll and tuck. Done.
Slice.
Some mayo. Sriracha. Sesame oil. Sushi sauce. Fancy spray bottle or drizzle?
Done. Done. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Also leave some comments in that section. Thanks, guys.